Hello everyone, Raga Bagus here. Today I'm gonna describe about mechanical keyboard. This one. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay. First, what is a mechanical keyboard? Mechanical keyboard is basically a keyboard that can input a letters, numbers to the laptop, computer, smartphone, or any other devices. So this is the K1 Meca TKL RGB from Digital Alliance. Okay, this mechanical keyboard has a layout. This layout, it's called TKL or 10 keyless layout. So you got the normal full-size keyboard, but without the numpad on the right side. So do you understand what the mean of TKL? This keyboard has a black color, as you can see at the bottom. And the bottom cover, this one, is made from ABS plastic. And then the top cover, or this one, can you see it? This one. This is made of aluminum. And it weighs about 725 grams. This keyboard is 358 millimeters long, 140 millimeters wide, and 35 millimeters high or thick, like so. It has a black braided USB cable that in the port USB is gold plated. As you can see, it is gold plated. And the length of the USB cable is about 1.5 or 1.7 meters. Yeah, this is the interface that you can put into your laptop or computer. Now, this keyboard has RGB, so you can change the color whatever you want. Wait, let me plug this keyboard into this laptop. So you can see, wait a second. Nah, so you can see the keyboard is light in blue, like this. And then you can change it into green, sorry, yellow, like this, or even a purple, blue, or rainbow, or anything color that you wanted. So also this keyboard is waterproof or water resistant. Not quite a waterproof. You cannot put this into your pool. Only it can hold the spray of the water. For the switch, it is a mechanical type of switch, of course. This keyboard comes with 3 different type of switches with 3 different sound of typing. The switch is made of by Autemu, the Autemu company. You can choose from the blue switch, which is a clicky or loud sound, brown switch, which is tactile or less loud sound, less loud, like this. This is a brown switch, and red switch, which is linear or quiet. Mine is brown, so the sound is a little bit in the middle of the blue switch and the red switch. And this is the switch. It has 50 million clicks lifetime. Yeah, 50 million clicks lifetime. So let me show you the switch. Let me unplug this keyboard first. This is the switch. This is the switch that called mechanical switch brown, made by Autemo. The sound is not quite loud. Yeah, like this. The sound is like that. So for the keycaps, or that you can see the alphabet right here is has a color slightly yellowish white in the alphabet and the number row, and then it has a black and orange at the F row, and the tab, catalog, save, control, and the arrow is orange. So the keycaps is single shot keycaps, which is you cannot see the light through the keycaps, or you cannot see the alphabet is lightened by the RGB light behind the switch. So the keyboard has a height adjustment under the case right here, as you can see right here. So it has 2 height adjustment. So you can type like this without any height adjustment, or you can type like this with the height adjustment. So you can type more higher than the original one. Okay, this keyboard is costs about 400 until 500,000 rupees, I think. At the time I buy this keyboard, the price is about 400 until 500,000 rupees. Yes. Okay, everyone, that's all about my mechanical keyboard K1 Meca RGB TKL. Thank you for watching and goodbye.